5 Best Remote Side Hustles for Beginners in 2025. 1. Print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a low-risk side hustle in 2025 that allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tote bags, and phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. You simply upload your designs to platforms like Printful, Printify, or Gelato and connect them with Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. When someone places an order, the product is printed and shipped automatically. All you need is a creative edge and basic design skills. With trending designs and smart marketing, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $30 profit per sale. POD is ideal for artists, graphic designers, or anyone with clever slogan ideas. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the top passive income side hustles in 2025. You promote other people's or companies' products using a unique referral link and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. It's popular in niches like health, finance, tech, and online education. Beginners can join affiliate programs from Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or Impact. You can promote your links through blog posts, YouTube videos, social media, or even email newsletters. With consistent traffic and the right audience, affiliates can earn from $100 a month to several $1,000s a month, depending on the product and reach. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell physical products online without handling inventory. You set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and list products sourced from suppliers such as AliExpress or Spocket. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You profit from the price difference. The key to success lies in finding trending, problem-solving products and running effective ads on Facebook, TikTok, or Google. While startup costs are lower than traditional retail, learning ads and customer service is essential. Profits can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month with the right niche and marketing. Before we move on to next one, here's something for you. Are you looking to earn $25 to $35 per hour working from the comfort of your home? Remote live chat assistant positions are currently available. No experience required, 100% remote job, and beginner friendly. Click the link in the description to get started today. 4. Social media management. Every small business wants an active social media presence in 2025, but many don't have time or expertise to manage it. That's where social media managers come in. As a side hustle, you can help businesses plan, create, and schedule posts, engage with followers, run promotions, and track analytics. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok are in high demand. You don't need a degree, just proof that you can grow and engage an audience. Start by managing your own page or helping a friend's business for free to build a portfolio. Freelancers can earn $300 to $1,000 per month per client, depending on workload and skill. 5. Content creation on YouTube or TikTok. Creating content on YouTube or TikTok can be both creatively fulfilling and financially rewarding in 2025. Whether your videos are educational, funny, review-based, instructional, or niche-specific like fitness, finance, or cooking, you can grow an audience and monetize through ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate links, and your own products. You don't need fancy gear. A smartphone and good lighting are enough to start. TikTok rewards short-form viral videos, while YouTube offers long-term income potential through AdSense. Many creators start earning after reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or gaining consistent engagement on TikTok, with some making hundreds to thousands of dollars per month once monetized. Don't forget to explore remote live chat assistant positions, offering $25 to $35 per hour from the comfort of your home. No experience required, 100% remote job, and beginner-friendly. Click the link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on remote jobs, side hustles, and earning opportunities. See you in the next video.